Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the watch's rated resistance so you know the target. 3 ATM versus 10 ATM matters. Next, remove the strap, and with the correct case opener and a loop, expose the gasket seat. Once done, clean and dry the area thoroughly. Debris or oil defeats sealing. You should inspect the gasket for cracks, flattening, or hardened rubber and measure thickness. Replace if compressed more than 1/2 of original cross-section. Now you swap in a correctly sized gasket. OEM is ideal because material durometer and thickness control seal performance. Fit the gasket dry first to ensure it sits without twisting, then apply a thin film of silicone grease. This lubricates, helps seating, and prevents pinching. Make sure to relube and inspect the crown stem seal and any push-pull crown tube, because those are common leak points. Once the gasket is seated, rotate and compress it gently to settle before closing the case. Finish by securing the case back with the specified torque or a calibrated press so compression is uniform. Uneven pressure creates gaps. Once closed, perform a pressure test, either a dry air chamber or a wet submersion with a compressed air step to detect bubbles. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 bar for common daily wear ratings. If you detect leaks, reopen and recheck gasket orientation, crown tube seating, and the crystal seal. Repeat until pressure holds, and keep one troubleshooting tip. Small bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.